Hello everyone, this is Rushta along with my teammates Harini and Monica, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. Here I am delighted to share our mini project which is Smart Garage Door System using IoT technology under the guidance of Sukanya ma'am, Assistant Professor. Earlier days, people used to park their vehicles in open places. Then after people started building their own garages in their own houses. But that garages have heavy metal doors to lift, which are bit heavy. As technology changed, many other alternate solutions came into existence. Our project provides an alternate solution of opening and closing the garage door in easy way using IoT technology. Here are some existing systems. Like people still use doors which need to be lifted manually, and some uses remotes to control the movements of the door. Some work on voice commands, some use mobiles instead of using remote, which is more secure. Then let me explain our project idea deeply. So coming to our proposed system, this door is actually designed to decrease the manual effort of lifting the doors. We use an ultrasonic sensor to detect the object within a specified range. If any object is detected, then the signal is sent to the board where the motors are activated to open the door. If object is not detected, the door remains closed. A certain time is given or already set so that the doors will be automatically closed after that certain time. So information related to the movements of the door will be simultaneously updated in the Google Firebase and also in the mobile app. Software and hardware requirements needed for our project are like ultrasonic sensor for detecting the objects and DC motors for the lifting of the doors and an ESP32 board. We also use an Arduino IDE as a software and Google Firebase and also a Cordilla app. Coming to the design part, this is the use case diagram. This is the sequence diagram. Mhm. Coming to the data flow diagram, this is the architectural diagram. Let me explain the diagram. Firstly, ultrasonic sensor checks for the object. Within a specified range, the information will be sent into the board. If object is not detected, then doors remains closed. If it returns yes, it means the object is detected. Then doors will be opened simultaneously. The information regarding the movements of the door will be updated in the cloud storage and also in the mobile app. Coming to the coding part, this is the actual code. So, firstly, we install all the required libraries. Then, we'll give the Firebase credentials and also the Wi Fi details. Coming to the main part of the code, we use an ultrasonic sensor whose trick pin and echo pin are set to the 32 and also 34 respectively. So we use an door status variable which is already set to the off. Coming to the setup, um, then here in the setup, we set the trick pin as output pin and also echo pin as input pin. We set 25, 26, and also 14 pins as an output pins for the motor. In the loop, we use an formula for calculating the distance using the duration. Here is the formula. If the distance is less than the specified distance, like here I have given the specified distance as 120, if the distance is less than the specified distance, then here we see a message called object detected and also the motors will be run in an direction such that the door will be opened and we here the door status will become as on. Then after a certain time, like here I given the delay time as a 5 minutes, the doors will be automatically closed. If initially object is not detected within the specified distance, we here see the like message as an object is not detected, and if the door is opened in the status, it will be closed. Simultaneously, the movements of the door will be updated in the Firebase. Here is the implementation of the project. This is the setup of the execution. Here we connected the ultrasonic sensor to the gizmo board. As we cannot connect or run the motors directly using the board, so we used an L298N driver connected to the breadboard. So we upload the code which is written on the Arduino IDE into the board. When no object is kept within the specified distance, so ultrasonic sensor will not detect any of the object within the specified distance. Now we can see the distance of the object as 286 on the screen on the serial monitor, which is not in a specified distance. So we can see a message called no object detected. So and we also see a message of door is closed, means the door remains closed as there is no object detected within the specified distance. Also we can see the same status of the door status, that is off, and the distance is updated in the Firebase. And also we can see that the same distance and also the status of the door will be updated in the mobile. So to open the mobile app, here we connect to we connect to a companion using a QR code. So when we connect, we can see the distance measured is 248. That is, the distance is greater than the specified distance. So there will be a message displayed on the phone, that is the door is closed. So when an object is kept within the specified distance or within the distance, so here we see that the door is opened and also the distance value will be displayed on the serial monitor. We also see the message called door opened on the serial monitor. So here is an execution that the motors will be rotated in a direction so that the doors will be opened. Here we see the updated values like the door status is on and the distance on the Firebase and also in the mobile app. So when there is object, means that when the car is parked inside, so we can't see an object within this distance. So here the distance value will be changed on the serial monitor, and also the information like messages related to the object distance will be changed on the serial monitor. Here we see the message called no object detected and the door closed. So the doors will be closed, means the motors will be rotated in the opposite direction to close the doors. So the same information will be updated in the mobile and also in the Firebase. Here are some conclusions of our project. So our project mainly reduces the manual effort of lifting the doors. So by this we can operate the movements of our door from anywhere. This project is guided and supported by Sukanya ma'am, assistant professor. Thank you.